Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on Bixby on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open Settings, then go to Advanced Features. And from here, you will find the option of Bixby. Just tap on it. Now just tap on Start. Now just tap on Continue. Then tap on Next. Now just start saying the following sentences. Hi Bixby, set an alarm for 7 a.m. Hi Bixby, how can I make a battery last longer? Hi Bixby, raise the volume and play music. Now from here, just choose how you can enable Bixby. You have the option of Hi Bixby or just Bixby. I will select Hi Bixby, then tap on Next, then tap on Start. Now we have successfully enabled Bixby on our smartphone. Now to enable Bixby, just say, Hi Bixby, set an alarm for 5 a.m.
Your alarm for tomorrow at 5 a.m. will go off in 11 hours 47 minutes.
And this is how you can turn on Bixby on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.